Stop blaming ChatGPT for giving you boring generic answers. The secret, it's not about what you ask, it's how you ask. In next 90 seconds, I will show you how to turn ChatGPT into your personal genius. Rule number 1. Be embarrassingly specific. Vague in, vague out. Instead of write about marketing, try act as a marketing expert. Give me creative Instagram reel ideas for a local bakery with hook suggestion and one-line caption for each. See the difference. You gave it a role, a goal, and a format of magic. Tip 2. Feed it context like you are briefing a human teammate. Tell it how you are, what you already know, and how you want the answer. For example, I am a student with zero coding experience. Explain how AI works in simple terms using a cooking analogy. Keep it under 100 words. Now, it knows your level, your language, and your length. Always ask for bullet points, tables, step-by-step list. ChatGPT loves structure. Tip 3. Don't settle on first reply. ChatGPT is a conversation, not a search button. Use command like make it more casual, add an example for a 10-year-old, turn this into a 3-column comparison table. You can even say what's one thing I am missing and get a smarter second draft. Each follow-up sharpness the result like a chisel. Bonus power move. Start a new chat with this line. From now on, ask me clarifying question before you answer. This single sentence switches ChatGPT into coach mode, and it will help you think better, not just spit out answer. Be specific, give context, and refine like a pro. Bye bye.